Sorry if you can hear my washer going right now, but do you guys see this? This is pasta with some homemade like Alfredo sauce, broccoli and chicken, and I just put it in the oven to warm it up. I just made this yesterday. I made some pasta in like on the stovetop, and then I baked some too with some cheese. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Whew. The sauce is just heavy whipping cream. I did some mozzarella cheese and some triple cheddar cheese, just a little bit because that cheese tastes very strong. And then I did like salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some jerk paste, mild. I did some Caribbean jerk seasoning. I did a bunch of random stuff, okay? When I season stuff, I just season it. I don't even think about it. I'm just like, what would be good together? And it comes out fire every time. I air fried the chicken. Oh my goodness. Air frying my chicken has become like my favorite thing to do because it just gets it crispy but so juicy inside. It literally just falls apart. Oh. Mm.